Hello Leute! Hello guys! Kumusta? For this video, Alex and I will take you to your next destination when you visit Germany. The Partnach Klamm, or also known as the Partnach Gorge. Come and let's all witness the beauty it has to offer. We want you to watch this video until the very end to see my surprise to Alex. Los geht's! From Munich, we took a train ride towards Garmisch-Partenkirchen, and the travel time was roughly about 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Please change here for the Zugspitzbahn.
From Garmisch, we hiked for about an hour to reach Partnach Klamm. Ngayon, we're just walking to Partnach Klamm. I mean, going there. So, sabi doon sa guide, 1 hour daw. So far, mga 30 minutes na kami naglalakad. So, today is a very special day kasi surprise ko si baby niya kung saan kami pupunta. Kaso, hindi ko talaga kinaya yung direction. So, humingi na tayo kanina ng saklolo sa kanya. Alex and I purchased our tickets online and the cost was only 10 euros each. Don't lose your tickets as you need to scan them to enter through the gates. And we're finally here guys. So after an hour of hike, nakarating na din kami sa Partnach Klamm.
Sunny days in Island West, yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it blaze. The ocean calls while the breeze sways. Under the sun where good vibes raise. Hey! Every day feels like a holiday in Maze. Smiling faces come your way. Oh, good vibes, summer shining bright. Good vibes, dancing through the night.
The Partnach Gorge stretches over 700 meters and reaches the depths of up to 80 meters. Its walls are dramatically carved by the Partnach River. Visitors of any kind can walk along a network of safe, narrow pathways carved into the rock, which follow the river's twists and turns. You'll also experience the sound of roaring water and the cold, damp atmosphere in the place. Walking through the pathways is not a hassle, and we suggest you just enjoy the scenery and the sound of waters you hear. You can go from easy to moderate walks. It's accessible for most people, including families. Strollers and wheelchairs are not possible though. So include Partnach Klamm when you visit Munich, Germany. Ayun na siya guys, so nakahanap kami dito ng spot na pwede namin pagtambayan. Sulit naman kasi super ganda ng view.
Boom! Di ba?
Baby, may snack ako. Open mo na, dali! Tago? Surprise ka. Nee.
Wow! Kapan ako?
Happy birthday. Binilan ka namin ni Alex kahapon ng ano yun? Yung gusto mo? Yung ref magnet?
Saan? Saan kayo nagpunta?
Doon lang, may mga souvenir din kasi. Dito lang naman din sa Germany. Maganda kasi yung
Sige,
ano.
sige lang.
Ganda yan,
Gusto mo,
ma.
pakita ko sa'yo. Maganda yun eh. Oh. Akin na, baby. Ganda.
Jaran. Ay! Buntis ka na! Iya! Talaga! Tay! Ilang buwan na? May pamangkin ka na, Son!
Oh, buntis si Gia, di ba?
Nagsabi! Then!
Oh, wow, congratulations.
Thank you, kuya.
Dalawa. Ako, sabay pa.
Deka, buyog ka na, nakainom ka na pa? O na, pampaubat, may pampaubat ako digdig. O, pampaubat. O, ano yan? O, pampaubat.
Baby, lapit mo nga si Papa. Lapit mo nga. Si Lord talaga, alam niya kung ano mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Alam niya kung kailan niya ibibigay. We wanted to share this testimony with everyone. God really knows kung ano ang best para sa atin lahat and kung kailan niya ibibigay. Ang gagawin lang natin is mag-pray at ibigay ang buong tiwala at paniniwala natin sa Kanya. Gaya nga ng favorite Bible verse ko sa Psalm 46 verse 10, "Be still and know that I am God." Excited na kaming ma-meet ang bagong member ng Alpha Adventures, our bundle of joy and happiness, a blessing from God. We will keep it traditional, guys. Aalamin namin ang gender ni baby paglabas niya na. So abangan natin sa mga susunod na video kung baby boy or baby girl ba ang bagong makikigulo at makikibahagi sa mga susunod naming adventure. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more Alpha Adventures. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Danke und tschüss!
Baby, kumusta ka dyan? Gulat siya eh.